guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Goethe Exam and guys, welcome you in my live session. Due to internet, I couldn't come online. So yeah, I am recording this live session. I hope you will not mind. Next Saturday, I am coming with another video. So stay tuned and till next Tuesday, I will be coming live positively at 2 p.m. So stay tuned. Let's go with the Let's go with the questions. So first of all, Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. May God bless you all and Happy New Year will be amazing. So stay happy and stay excited. Let's start with the questions. Okay, so I have written so many questions of yours only, so I'm gonna answer it. So first question is, do I need to join class for B2? Can I do it myself at home? Please help me with some tips. Okay, this is an interesting question. So guys, let me tell you, if you are a B2 learner, then yes, you can do exam preparation with you, but yes, for the whole course you have to join class. It's my suggestion. As per my knowledge, B2 is not an easy level. For that you have to study hard and you need a proper trainer for that, so that he can guide you or she can guide you properly and you can learn everything in a depth. So yeah, I will suggest, but yes, if you know the whole grammar, everything, then yes, exam preparation you can do yourself at home. And for tips and everything, I have made a video. I will be putting in description. You can definitely check it out for B2 learners, B1 learners, A2 learners, A1 learners, everyone. Video will be, link is in description. Please go and watch it out. Next question is, ma'am, I want to pursue my masters in German taught program. So what is the best level for it? Okay, for the German taught levels, the best level is C1. If you know the C1, then only you can learn German taught. If you are opting English taught, then A2 and B1. I think so B1 it will be okay. A2 normally they say, but once you go there, they will teach you the B1 level. So yeah, B1 level, if you are doing in Germany, in India, then it will be more savior option for you. Okay, so the next question is, I have enrolled for B1 level, but I want to change a date. Is it possible? I think so. I didn't get your question. I was much confused regarding this question, where you have joined and which date you want to change. If you have joined in Goethe, then date change is not an option. In Goethe, there is a problem. Like if you get absent or anything, if something happens with you, then there is no option left with you. Like you cannot change the classes, you cannot change the batches. There is so much problem, which I absolutely hate about Goethe. But what we can do, it is a rule or reel. Okay, now how to get the embassy job. Okay, this is the most demanding question, guys. If you want to get a embassy job, then for embassy there is a very big criteria. Like you have to give the exam for normal whole government exams which comes for the embassy, and once you are clear with that, then only you can apply for the language test. And in that language test, it is quite tough. Like their level will be C1 or C2, which will be checked there of yours. So you should be a PhD person who has done PhD in German. PhD means C2 level or C1 level. If you have done, then easily you can crack it out. But for that you have to study everything for like which you are studying from 8th class, like NCRTs and full of things. So yeah, proper IAS studies, like, so you have to do a lot of work hard, and then only you can get the good job in embassy. But once you get an embassy job, then you are damn lucky. Okay, let's come to the next point. How to make sure if I am ready for the Goethe exams. Oh my god, this is a very important question. Thank you for asking this question. So let me tell you, what happens is that you have to test yourself that are you ready to give exam or not. You want to give Goethe exam, but you don't know that, okay, am I ready or not? Then the first trick for this is to test yourself, that put a clock in front of you and take the paper which you haven't did till now. There are so many papers for each and every level, so definitely you can take one paper and put a timer and just do everything very quickly and see if you did 15 minutes prior the total time. Like 2.5 hour or 3 hour. If you have done at least 15 minutes prior, then yes, you are ready. But one more thing, your trainer or your any partner, whosoever is teaching you or guiding you, he or she should check your test. If you receive 75 to 80 marks in that, then yes, good for go, you must go. This will work for every level. Speaking should be very good, vocabulary should be very good. This you have to work, sentence structures, grammar, topic. Oh my god, there are so much to do. Once you did any course from German Gyan, then you get the particular grammar practice for each and every level. And once you did that, then after that, speaking test, which is very tough with German Gyan. If you did that, then yes, you are 101% sure that you can go for the exam. So yeah, there are the things which you have to test before opting the exam, because for exam the fees is quite high. So why to waste that fees? This is the reason that I always suggest go for the highest level exam, not for the every level exam. That will save your time, plus that will save your money, which is a very must. Okay, next, German Gyan. Hi. Hello, German Gyan, hi, oh my god. Could you please let me know how I can contact you and discuss the options of my career? Okay, if you want to contact to me, then you can DM me on my Instagram, germangyan1, or you can follow, or you can message me, or you can DM me on my WhatsApp, or you can contact me on my Twitter, Facebook, German Gyan, anywhere. Do me and you will be getting reply very soon, because I am super active on social media. Otherwise my team member will let you know my number. So yeah, you can definitely contact me very easily. Ma'am, need exam preparation, do you give? Absolutely, we give you exam preparation. Like, we have different plans, like 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days and 25 days. So these are the whole packages for exam prep. For any level, definitely you can go for. In fact, we are having exam preparation 1-day classes also, 3-day classes also. Now in that, what happens is you have to pay hourly basis, and it is good to go. So yes, definitely you can go it out. So this was the whole questionnaire for you guys for this Tuesday. Stay tuned, Saturday I'm coming up with a very interesting video, and next Tuesday I'm coming up live with all the questions. So if you have any question, please write in the comment section, and see you on Saturday. Till then, keep learning with German Gyan. Cheers! Happy New Year!